Hey guys, Flashback502 here. What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to talk to you about why DIY. And learning to DIY is one of the best things that you can do for yourself. This will help you save time and money and bring about a great sense of achievement and accomplishments. Many people don't believe that they have the time or skill to DIY things. So I came up with a simple formula that I use to put value to when I DIY different projects. My simple formula is to take the cost quoted for repair divided by your hourly wage. Then figure out how many hours of your typical job you would have worked to make that amount of money. For example, if you were quoted a brake and rotor replacement job for $400 and the cost of parts is $160, then take 400 minus 160, which will leave $240. Now take that $240 and divide it by your hourly wage of, say, $15 an hour, which would mean that you will have to work 16 hours of your job to get the amount of money it would take to pay for that job. Of course, if you've never changed brakes or rotors before, you may not have the proper jacks and jack stands and the tools and which you may need to buy to do this job. So let's say that costs between $100 and $150, and you may take maybe an hour or so looking at different videos on how to change the brakes and rotors on a channel like Flashback502 to learn how to do it. So on your first DIY job, you may wind up spending the whole $400. But for every brake job you do after this, you will begin to save time and money because you won't have to purchase the equipment again or pay for labor costs. You will just spend money to buy the parts, which should be cheaper also because a lot of shops mark the prices up when they get them. They mark them up on you. Another benefit of DIY is not only will you be able to make your own repairs and save time and money, but you will be able to actually have a side hustle where maybe you start changing brakes and rotors for other people, and which would allow you to make extra money. And that's just my thoughts on why you should DIY or learn how to DIY some things. I do lots of DIY jobs. There's tons of different things that you can DIY and save money on. So I just want to kind of let you all understand how I started with Flashback502, which is trying to do things for myself and help to teach you all to do things for yourself. All right. Please check out our other helpful videos. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.